going to love how I installed this wig because it is so easy to install. It's not hard because it's glueless and you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so yeah, and of course all the information will be in my description box, just well as a coupon code. So let's jump into the install. I really love how the hair came packaged so nicely, you guys. The hair was sitting so beautiful and ready for me to install. Of course, you would get a headband, just well as 2 wig caps and a makeup brush. Now look how beautiful this hair is already pre-plucked with your baby hairs. You cannot go wrong with a pre-plucked wig, just well as some baby hairs for you, okay? I did wash the wig twice to get a good wash on it, and this hair feels amazing as I'm washing it, and it feels so soft. I'm really loving this wig already as I'm washing it. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig is looking after being pre-washed. Real full, like I said before, very, very full. This is how it's giving volume. You see that? It's giving volume, okay? And it feels amazing. It still feels soft. I just had to give it that pre-wash, but it's looking real good in this color. I can't get over this color, y'all. This color is amazing, okay? And it's good for this time of the year because it's fall. This color is amazing. And of course, y'all know it has the band in here. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this baby on because you already know that this is a glueless wig. So you don't have to glue this wig down, only if you want to. But this is like the easiest install that this is about to be. This is really about to be that fast. So let's run through it. We can be closer. I played those same games, and that's me just putting that wig on just like that, literally. But what I'm about to do is, of course, hot comb the little pieces, like to give it a more natural look towards the top. And as you see, like I said, it is glueless. So there is no glue on here. Y'all know I love to kind of glue my wigs down, but the fact that I don't have to, yeah. Time's over and you got us all night. Leave me on, don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love you for the night. High volume. I like how you wrap around the edges. Laying on your chest in my. Okay, I'm just about to just put some mousse on here and put a little bit of my oil, and this gonna be the look, okay? Like, it's already given, and I haven't even did a lot to this hair. The fact that I don't have to, that is, oh my gosh, this would save me so, when I tell you so much time, so much. Take this off and then lay my baby hairs down, y'all. Now y'all see how I was saying, like, that's why I had put the hot comb to run through, just to give it a little bit of natural. So we're about to lay these baby hairs down, and then I'm going to put some concealer for my part, and we're done with this wig. We are done. Just like that. Oh, these baby hairs are so good and pretty. And y'all know that I was never a big fan of baby hairs, but the fact that I'm kind of getting into the baby hairs now and it's making it look natural, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Okay, put a little bit of my oil just so I won't give it that dry look, because you know once you put mousse in your hair, it gives it that dry look. We don't want that after once it dry up. This hair is so beautiful on me. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is about to be my go-to hair. It's definitely about to be my go-to hair. This is definitely about to give the go-to hair. Okay, let me put my concealer on my part, and then, like I said, we're done with this install. This is the final look, you guys. This is how it's looking on me. I am really loving this color. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is how 24-inch look on me. So if I was to pull it down, it'd be about right there towards close to my lower back. But you know, of course, with wavy hair, it does scrunch up. You know, the shrinkage is real when it's a curly, wet and wavy wig. So yeah, I am loving this wig, you guys. Oh my gosh. Of course, everything will be in my description box, even with a coupon code, because you already know when we check out, we like to save some coins when we check out, okay? But you need to head over to Sunber and get you this wig. They do have other wigs on their site. Beautiful wig. If you love this one that I'm showing you, you can head over there and purchase this one, because it is the time for this color, you guys. It is time for this color, okay? And like I told y'all, this is a glueless wig. Glueless, okay? So easy to install. You don't have to worry about nothing. And it's giving you see that? Volume, okay? Volume. I would like to thank